I was saying, this chamber will be used for soaking and sterilization, not mixing, because the space, the inner part, the space inside, it's very small, so we cannot use it for mixing. Even this side, yes, we can use this area for mixing, but we have to think about the next activity. After mixing, we have to go for packing and sterilization. And if we are going to sterilization here, we have to set the stove. The stove and the whole, to install the whole system, the pipelines and wherever. You see? So we have to think where we could put that, the system, the stove and the pipeline and wherever. You see? If you were thinking of using this space as the mixing, you see? So if then we have to set the stove at this area, then the stove and the pipeline, maybe it will take some spaces like 4 foot, 1 meter, 1.5 meter, like maybe at this point. So from this point up that point, will it be enough for mixing? If the answer is no, then we have to think about this side over here. You see, this side over here, it is enough for setting the stove. But the only challenge is, if you have to set the stove at this side, then we have to put the holes, a small hole of 2 inch size here, that we can have at least the inlet, the pipe. So if we inlet the pipe, it means that the pipe should go inside, down, and then we can continue the process. So the pipe, when thinking about the pipe size in terms of length will increase compared to this space, if we are thinking about using this space to mix the soil. So what do you think? We can use this, so we can increase the size of the pipe to go inside. That could be better. Then no problem for me. No problem with me.
The height, okay.
Yeah. The height is okay. I feel the air movement. The air comes from that angle to here where I am. So the air movement is fine.
What about you left firewood?
The firewood, then we have to cut a small pieces, because the size of the we have to use the drum. Yes, to drum of 250 liter. So we have to set the drum over here, so the stove over here, so at least we can have a ample space here, so we can put the firewoods. Don't worry, the space is enough.
So what I'm thinking is, are we comfortable burning something there or burning?
Yeah,
Because
maybe the issue of comfortability, then we can ask the
but since we want the flow of that team, sorry,
yeah,
the upper one is better.
the upper is better. Yeah,
The
and then
flow can be adjusted because the pipe will go down. That's not a problem. Thing is, are you comfortable burning something here near the house? Yeah, we'll be fine.
this space is fine. No, then we can sit. But I'm thinking these stones, we have to break the stones there for the pipe to go in. Is it will be easy for you? Okay. Okay. So if it is easy for you, then no problem. So this chamber is fine, but you have to complete at the top. Yeah, you have to complete at the top, so to look smooth and wherever, you have to complete at the top. But the outlet there is fine for now, because we are not soaking. Yeah, we don't bother with the outlet. The outlet will leave the way it is. We have to set our holes inlet. Okay, so for this now we have to leave it the way it is, but it has to be completed today at the top. The finishes, yes, they have to be finished at the top today, because tomorrow we might use this. Yes, yes, tomorrow we might use this, so it has to be completed today. Okay, so let us. No sand. Kesho, kesho, tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is Monday, and then Tuesday. Tomorrow is Monday. It's fine because we're only mixing today, and we leave the soil to be at least digested, and then I think tomorrow we can start packing. We have to finish tomorrow packing, and then we can proceed with the other activity. If you complete tomorrow, then we can start setting. While the completions is going on, we can set the setting, the outlets, pipe, and the all of, yeah. We can set all of them tomorrow. So after setting, because it's only done at the top, then we can put the bags inside and put everything. So the day after, early morning, maybe at 5, you can start put the fire. Yeah.
So how is it gonna be inside Druko when you're putting the bed? Is it gonna stay like
That's what I'm going to talk. Yeah, we have to find a heavy converse. We have to find the converse. I know you do have nylons, but nylon is not enough. The weather is cold, so if the weather is cold, we need something heavy to cover at the top, so that the air, the small, I mean the air and everything should not come outside, so we can get the better heat. So we have to find something heavy to cover at the top.
what about the bottom?
The bottom, we are using 2x2 timber. Yeah, yeah. I have to measure inside and then to calculate how much the 2x2 might be. Yes, yeah. So we need 2x2s. The nylon is there. It is enough. Yeah, it's fine.